Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your words together on your document or your text box on Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow the simple steps. Here in this example, I will first create some paragraphs, or I'm just going to create a text box and fill it with the placeholder text. Here I have my paragraphs. Let's just do them like this and have it like this, for example, or whatever. Now I will have my text like that, and now I want to change the settings so I can keep my paragraphs however I want. To do so, we will need to go to the paragraph settings or the paragraph panel in our working space. If you cannot find the paragraph panel in your working space, you may go to the window menu and search for the paragraph. After choosing the type in tables and go to the paragraph, or just use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus T. So now you will need to select the paragraph that you want to use the settings on, or where you want to keep your words together, and then we will go to the expand option here, and or these three lines or multiple lines icon, and click on it. And as you can see, there is an option that is called the keep options. So we are interested in the keep options, and we want to keep lines together. So basically we want to keep our lines together, and for example just choose all the lines in the paragraph, or you can have some line that you want to specify. So if I click OK and you go and start playing with the size, so you will have as you can see, all the text has been disappeared and not only some, because I wanted all the paragraph to appear. For example, let's now change the keep options and go for at start and end, and I'm going to just use one, and for example let's make it one, and as you can see will two lines will be appearing here. So now if I'm going to decrease it, now it's still appearing and not disappearing all, because I wanted at least to have one line, not as before when we wanted to appear all the lines. The whole paragraph has been disappeared, as you can see now. So basically this is how you can keep your lines or words or paragraphs in your text box together with this method. Thank you for watching and see you next time.